All right, here we go again. This is Tyron with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing, and we have another video here for you today. And today we want to talk about our dealer vehicles. So I got a call today from a dealer to go ahead and get this car detailed. What we're going to do on this one is a inside and outside detail with a shampoo. So this car is insanely dirty. So it's going to take us about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours with two people to get this car detailed, maybe a little bit longer, give or take. So I want to talk about first about how to book your customers in, even though your prices may be a little bit more expensive than what they're looking to pay. We set up our packages where we include spray waxes in all our details. So that's how we was able to get this customer booked. So how did we do that? So he called us asking for this detail. I told him our rate is $225 for something like this. It should actually be a little bit more expensive, but I quoted him $225. He said that he got a quote from down the street for $175. I said, hey, we can do that for you, but you're not going to get a spray wax. So he agreed, and we came out and doing the job. So that way we didn't have anything else planned for it today, so we still was able to book and make some money for today. That's a good skill for you guys if you want to make sure you get your details. Just take out little small details out of your detail to, still get your customers booked. So I mean, that's all I have for y'all today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and take a walk around the vehicle, kind of show you guys what's going on and how bad the vehicle is. As you can see, we have a lot of dirt here from the older vehicle. We also have a lot of old, just mildew and everything just stacking up in the vehicle. As you go around, you can see marks on from stickers. And you can see as with the dirt just adding up in this older vehicle. It's from an auction, so with it being from the auction, you see that that stuff adds up, and it could have just been sitting for a while. Here you can see all the dirt. I mean, the panels. I'm gonna make sure you also get in between the doors right here, and then also if you look in between here, it's just very, 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 very dirty. So we're gonna transfer this car and make it look brand new. So another thing you're gonna see here is the wood barrels here. There's a whole lot of caked up dust in there from maybe some clay. And then you also got your door jambs here. So all this stuff is going to be turned out, and it's going to look like a brand new car once we're done. So make sure you watch to the end to catch the full transformation. So we're going to catch the driver's side. Another key part of your details is making sure you get in between the windows from the vehicles that sit for a while. When you spraying and pressure washing it, just get a little bit more closer and spray within the the window sill. So another part of this detail in particular, we want to make sure you take that off. We have a razor blade that we use with our Windex, and it just comes directly off. So that's another tip to use when you detail your vehicles. So I think that's about it, and I'm gonna just get a picture of it. We have a few more stickers up here in the front. Alrighty, so there we go, man. Thank you guys for watching our video today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you check out the end of the video. We're going to drop some clips of the ending product. And thank you guys for watching, man. This is Tyron again with Smartwatch Mobile Detailing.